Hello everyone, I am Dr. Praneeth Polamuri. I'm a cardiologist working at Care Hospital, Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. Today I'm going to talk to you about hypertension. The essence is about knowing about blood pressure and how to check blood pressure with a theme of BP, right karo. So why is it blood pressure important? Hypertension or elevated blood pressure is an important disease and it is the number one leading cause for many of the diseases, be it heart attack, stroke. Most of them don't know that they have hypertension, and because they don't know, it is called as a silent killer, which is leading to all the problems. So May 17th, every year we observe World Hypertension Day, and today I want to kind of give you some tips and tricks on blood pressure and its issues. Whenever we talk about blood pressure, the most important thing is to measure it right. So how do we measure blood pressure so that this number is telling you about your diagnosis and your targets of treatment? So when we talk about blood pressure measurement, we need to choose the appropriate machine. The machine should be a standard machine. The cuff that you apply to your hand should not be very tight or it should not be very loose. It should snugly fit in and it should try to cover your arm area or arm circumference at least 2/3. When you sit straight, your back is supported, your feet are on the ground, you are not crossing your legs, and you are not talking, you are sitting comfortably. If you have taken any tea, coffee, or any heavy meal, wait for 30 minutes. And when you're in a relaxed position, try to take your measurements. Each and every reading should include at least 3 measurements. The first reading is in general a bit higher side. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes, take a second or a third reading. Preferably take the second or third reading, and if possible, try to take an average. Preferably check blood pressure at various levels, sometimes in the morning, sometimes in the evening, sometimes in the night, and take multiple readings and try to take an average. Home blood pressure readings are being said to be accurate blood pressure readings because at the clinic, the blood pressure can be falsely elevated. So as we are all aware of taking gadgets at home, with the COVID pandemic, every household has a pulse oximeter now. Equally, I suggest everyone to take a BP machine because measuring blood pressure and knowing about blood pressure and controlling it is the way forward. So with these tips and tricks, thank you for your attention. I hope everyone takes individual responsibility of knowing about their blood pressure, controlling them well, and avoiding all the complications associated with uncontrolled blood pressure. Thank you all. Stay safe, stay healthy. Namaste.